Yeah, I'ma murder this shit, right? Sweezy, baby.
Subscribing right now, bro.
Yes, sir. We in the building with my man Trap House, man. Yeah, that's what we
Subscribe to that
at,
most lit YouTube channel in the city, nigga. Trap House Booming TV. Stop playing crazy. Get in tune if you ain't in tune.
Them chrome dubs up on the benefit tie. We stone up the stick, it give me light. Lamping on the island, nigga living right. But I gotta go to ATL to NY, then this bag to the end. No, don't fuck around, I put this mag to your rib and blow. It's Weezy, baby, I'm bagging this bitch for show. I'm packing a fifth, I'm packing a four. Kilo package of blow for 20 you go. In your tummy where the send me you go. And I pull the trigger right after I whisper, give me your coat. And I'm charged off myself in this millennium flow. Man, I might go to your girl and tell her, give me your throat. Cause a pimp don't give a shit about offending a hoe. My hoes fuck my friends, I find no friend in a hoe. And the women to go, oops, oh my. Baby, see the whip ain't got no roof, I'm so fly. And the fits ain't got no proof, I sold pies. So I do like I do, I'm so squat. You see, I tried and I tried to keep going, but I'm so high from the lie, I keep blowing. If I'm gon' ride, then it gotta be foreign. Yeah, me no supply, less than 4.5. Quit school, went into the draft. I've been putting numbers up since that. Been pulling up in Hummer since that. So check my interior, so clean, so young, so what, so serious. Weezy do it all, man, I touch all areas. Sports agent, CEO, plus I'm the best at this. I'm a mess at this, but I ain't tripping. I leave rap to nothing dizzy, I'm too fucking busy. 17 till I'm finished, back in this crack chemist. I murder that witness with a bird of that shit. We probably murder that spinach, but I ain't tryna fuck up me and Fat's image. They say, tune, oh my. They say the ball's so small, he gotta poke out. And all my cars on poke outs. Lou baby, call all the boys, let's have a smoke out. And if you war with the boys, we have a shootout. July 2nd, cash money, putting the truth out. I'm about the candy and chrome me a coupe out. I'm so cool, getting dumb when I move out. I have no home, the ball move out. So if you tryna find me, Lil Weezy, we be on that loop route. How many chickens been a dude's house? Trick question, bitches are bricks and I keep guessing. Nigga take a swigger and flip, so keep playing, boy. You fucking with the East landlords, nigga. This is squad up, dog. Get your paper right if you thinking about fucking with us, you know what I mean? They saying, ooh, don't I go and get that Lou, so fly, yeah. Bitch, I'm rich and I murdered this tweak shit. Know what I'm saying? That's the boy, man. I've been doing this shit for a long time, man. Niggas can't fuck with me, man. Fuck these niggas, dog. Know what I'm saying? All them niggas up there, holla at your boy, man. K-Slade, Clue, Flex, all them niggas, man. Holla at your boy, man. We doing this shit just like y'all doing this shit down here in the South, man. Know what I'm saying? This squad up, man. You ain't gonna find no nigga in the South doing it like us, dog. Squad up. So if you go and tell somebody about us, don't say the South be bringing it. Say Weezy and the squad be bringing it, dog. YME, Young Money Entertainment. Bitch, you will be reading about us. Yeah, no.
See, I'm back on my.
I make the bitches say, Weezy, make the hoes go. I throw they W's up and say, young, if you know somebody hotter than me, you don't know shit. Little Wizard Weezy, bitch, I'm focused, man. See, I got it slammed on them pokers. Watch I make my top disappear, hocus pocus. Wait a minute, I'm fucked up cause I can't get over something. But is it me or is my Bentley super sick on them buttons? And I'm stunting in the dead of South. We bang out if you think it's a game when them things come out. And I aim at your frame when them things drawn out and ring at your brain like 50 came out the flame in Maine. Ain't it a shame when your name's called out? When it got you on the news with your remains all out. Hey, the boy Wayne ball out. My paper bigger. I even got a few hundreds with Franklin's baby pictures. I'ma take it there with you, the bitch you. We's the official SQAD. Yeah. Oh, man, I make the bitches say. Waste and make the hoes go. Throw they W's up and say, yeah. Man, I make the bitches say, waste and make the hoes go. Throw they W's up and say, young. I'm the son of the stunner, baby. I stunts, baby. I get it up front in lumps every month, baby. I get enough cut from sluts, so can you suck, baby? I pitch so much nut, got bitches coughing up, baby. My Bentley, my baby, I make her climb over humps with a size 20 pumps, baby. Ice chunks in my fronts when I grunts, baby. And chickens fuck, I fuck for free, but all I want is big. I need blood over.
We at the 290 food truck. Gotta get them tacos real quick. My mama. Yes, sir.
Beats, cause my heart speaks. I seek guns if I beat sons, if I beat Greek punks, if I beat gotta keep my heat tugged in the crease. Cause I reach my peak young in the streets. I thug in the streets. Haters truly understand. I got big boy bread. I need crumbs you can eat. I need tighter streets, but I spawn in the streets. W-E-E-C-Y-W. Open. Man, I make the bitches say, yes, they make the hoes go. I throw they W's up and say, young. Man, I make the bitches say, wait, they make the hoes go. I throw they W's up and say, young. People you are observing 5 feet of money, so look at me different. See me in the mean Lamborghini, look at me different. See me with a queen on my wing, and look at me pimpin'. Look at me wrong in the dead, wrong. The Liz music to my ears, make me pump it to your headphones. To take a lead of black, this nigga with red phones. I guess my bread on, I'm 19 within 20, but I'm 100% up in the red zone. I know the fed zone, ever since I copped that house in them 2 Bentleys. Who wouldn't envy? The good is in me, the hood is in me. That's why every other 16 I scream 17. I bling heavily, rings and things glittery. Intervene or get in between, and you sleeping in misery. Look at what the game did to me. There's gangster in every bit of me. Young, yeah. Man, I make the bitches say, wait, and make the hoes go. I throw they W's up and say, young. Man, I make the bitches say, wait, and make the hoes go. I throw they W's up and say, yeah, man, I make the bitches say, I make the hoes go. For real, it's young, easy, bitch. Shit, I make them hoes go. Shit, I make them bitches say, I make the hoes go. For real, you gotta move to that. Cause who it is, young, we.
For the win every time. This is busting. 1 to 10. Tacos was an 8.7. 5 busted. 290 tacos. Let me get back out here.
Long hair, pretty face, I call her babe. She off the aisle. She off the
Jay, what it do? What up? Yes, sir. Let me tell y'all. Y'all know who it is, man. I ain't gotta say nothing too much.
Yeah, we got something coming in the books maybe for the next one.
Ooh, okay.
Either truck or car, we don't know where we're gonna go. Either V8 or we don't know what we're gonna do.
Okay.
We got something though.
I'll be watching.
We got something.
Trust me. I will be waiting on you. Yes, sir. Brutus on the Vino, whole top, bro. Yes, sir. Okay, you done switched it up. Slick again. Yup, said fuck the YouTube out here running, man.
It is, man.
And that big boy,
It's a
my
whole
nigga.
nother truck. It's a Denali, yeah.
Oh shit!
Yes, sir.
Damn. Yes, sir. I'll see what the fuck going on. The hell? What's up, man? Nothing
You linking up with rappers, you the new Khaled. I just bumped a bitch up out of Philly, she like New Balance. She gon' run it up off head and pussy, she got 2 talents. Took a vegan hoe to Cipriani, she want 2 salads. My queen about to have another prince, we need a new palace. We probably need 100-something movers if we move out it. I checked 250 in your city, then I flew out it. We not checking in, now what the fuck you tryna do about it? They say I'm not the hardest for my city, nigga, who got it? These niggas get the name and what's the name, I never knew about it. You think them niggas better? Nigga, you doubt it. Pay a bitch rent for 6 months so we can spew at it. All my niggas playing ball, we got Duke talent. Pull up like I'm Kyrie from the 2, I'm throwing oops at it. You thinking one-sided, I think two-sided. He not really like you think he is, he just misguided. I'm playing tug of war with pharmacies, I'm pulling tricks out him. My homie on parole for robbery, don't hit no licks round him. Just left Extreme Customs, how this bitch sounding? That pint of walk been put up for so long, man, this bitch browning. All my rich hoes getting dick down. 1,000 for this dick, you mean you wanna pick with Chris Brown? You want what for that little pussy? How do you sound? You lucky if I buy your ass a gyro out of Jewtown. If I get drunk and eat that pussy, you my boo now. That nigga had you in the garden unit, you got a view now. These drivers out here wearing wires on the crew now. Make them get up out that black truck and pat his suit down. That Drake a raise when you shootin', it gotta shoot down. Ain't no guns on 26, might have to throw down. These niggas think I'm doing carpentry, it's on the flow now. A 20 used to fill my Regal up, I need a cho now. Let's take 2 paces, nigga, and have a showdown. Valentine's Day can't be 2 places for my hoe now. I pray my lawyer beat them cases for my bro now. I remember Buddy and them was up, them niggas po now. I'm getting higher than a light bill at a grow house. Nigga, that ain't no townhouse, that's a row house. That chopper like a chair outside the pool, that's a fold out. I open up my closet, pick a load out. Thick 16 in a pizza, eating pussy and pizza. 16, 7, 16's too gum. 2016 with the demon, you ain't going me neither. 16 it started the gang, me and 5 of my heathens. Triple B started the beef, turn them bikers to vegans. Juno head, coke in my diaper, gave me lighters for teething. 2017, that sativa had me grab on my heater. 17 bars in a beat, the niggas die when I feature. Turn a nigga bop to a keeper, he gon' cry if I keep her. Niggas fake to get on the leader, hope you die amnesia. She be taking breaks through the season, she's divine her leisure. Shocked her with polygamy, baby, come say hi to Alicia. 2018 when I landed, it must be Eagle Man. Still eating sharks with the roaches, ain't got no diva friends. My mama left us home by herself, we robbed a piece of man. We used to pallet fat baby vans, poppin' the Mega Mans. If Poppy got some work, he can't move, Poppy gon' take a chance. And Poppy dropped that shit off on us and we did the race again. 2005, my niggas was still alive. My footworking homie turned to a killer. I'm still surprised. You give respect, I'm saying my homie named that he still provide. Most niggas want some pussy, he wishing he still could slide. Her red fuck with that white, his Indians real alive. So close the door and burnt the building while niggas was still inside. 2020, the scamdemic got niggas lit. It's a 2024 pandemic, now niggas hit. He never robbed before, now he tryna go in a nigga shit. Put pole to a nigga shit just for loafing up in this bitch. The fuck is this? I'm done flipping Tristan, I heard it hit. Nigga, it could burn when I piss, she gon' still turn on my dick.
Sorry, Mr. Call. I was calling you back to let you know that I love you.
28 grams in the leaf, niggas falling asleep. 2015, it was sweet, I was falling for me. Borrowing guns with bodies on them, don't get caught with this piece. Fucking all my big homie hoes, don't get caught with this piece. Thinking you at peace with your ops, don't get caught with this piece. You see this little button on the back, don't get caught with this piece.
Pull the slide to the rear and let it go.
If you don't look shit like your daddy, must be the milkman. 4 seasons, my hoe sleeping, don't do the Hilton. Your girl don't need no more dependent, she want a real man. I could move my nephews in a mansion if Uncle Phil can. Who got a license? I need a wheel, man. You point me to your accountants, I'ma show you your real friend. Money. Time money from the boulevard, I ain't never moving to the A-town, nigga. If I do a drive-by with 400 shots, you gon' have to stay down, nigga. Like how Drake sound, you a OVO fan, never heard of Drake sound, nigga. Breaking pounds down, take a hold of Pound Town. You was out in Cape Town, nigga. You been turning into Mace now, nigga. Alexander, this how great sound, nigga. You don't wanna crash, slow it down, you gon' fuck around and weigh your brakes down, nigga. I be somewhere in the red zone with it, you be somewhere in a safe town, nigga. Better not go to jail, heard you over frail, heard you dealing with a case now, nigga. I'm in China walk on the 9, eating low main with the Kung Pao, nigga. Heard the Dre deal, pumped your head to the moon. You should probably come down, nigga. Single 1 through 4, you was raw as hell. Sign a deal, then you dumb down, nigga. I'm about to go and flood the town with that white boy like a sundown, nigga. Heard that bitch took his backbone. When I seen him, he was looking hunched down, nigga. Treat the smoke like a seesaw. We gon' get up with him when he touch down, nigga. You been rapping for a while, money. How the fuck you still ain't got a bust down, nigga? I ain't never seen you run down, nigga. Single 7 El Gordo mixtape cover with a suit set. You could say some money tryna go and buy another funeral, get 2-pack. Heard you been with what's the name? Catch a 2 for 1, now we smoking 2 packs. He been thinking about committing suicide. Kung Lao, he might catch his own hat. Papa Yerk 30, when you look into my eyes, you can see I'm on that. Why the feds only give you 20 months, nigga? You probably a whole rat. Why the fuck your stupid ass ain't go up the Apple when they get your phone back? Why you talking about them bodies on the phone knowing they might have your phone tapped? Made me go and buy a whole map, heard Douglasville where your home at. You gon' make a nigga pop up with the tools on me like I work for Gold Blacks. You been writing all them songs for them big names, you ain't got a gold plaque. You not in the hood, you gon' see how shit changed when you had to go back. Skinny money, I'ma do it till the wheels falling off on the 4 flats. Tom Brady, I'ma throw a bullet, nigga, let me see you run a 4 flat. I'ma be there when you fall, laughing till my stomach hurt when the jokes crack, nigga. Soon as I type fat in the Spotify, all I see is Joe Crack, nigga. Titanic, but I won't crack, nigga. Heard the shit you try to make stick, but it's thumbs down for your thumbtack, nigga. Who you kidding with them dumb raps, nigga? When you get released, I'ma be there at the gate, shitting on your comeback, nigga.